first thing I'm gonna do is try and figure out the best way to size the tiles so I can fit in as many whole pieces as possible without it looking too weird. So I'm gonna measure that out and start cutting some pieces and then start mudding it. So I like lining these up so that it's whole piece next to whole piece and then half next to half. It kind of just flows better together like that. I did it over here in this corner as well. To be honest, my first tile job, I didn't use any tile cutter or grinder or anything. I actually took a hammer and broke up pieces and tried to fit it perfectly like a puzzle. I mean, I had lots of extra tiles, so I made it work. Yeah, my husband didn't like that very much. So this is a tile saw. You fill it with water and it helps making clean cuts without chipping it and without dust going everywhere. I was a little bit scared using this at first, but my husband encouraged me that it really wasn't too scary. I don't like using electric saws, but this really isn't that bad.